Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to do face bleaching. I have already prepped my client with a towel and headband, and now I'm gonna clean her face with a cleanser. So take some cleanser and make sure you cleanse it properly. This step is really important because if you don't prep the client's skin properly, then the results are not gonna be good. So I like to clean in circular motion and in all directions, so all the dirt and everything comes out properly, and especially around the nose area, lip area, and forehead area and neck area. So yeah, go ahead and clean it properly. So many people doesn't know what is face bleaching. Face bleaching is basically a chemical substance which contains hydrogen peroxide, which lightens facial hair and make your face appear brighter and fairer. So face bleach does not lighten the skin, it only lightens the facial hair. It works only on the hair. So after cleansing, now I'm gonna go ahead and clean it with water. And make sure you clean very well. There should be no cleanser, nothing left on the skin, and if the client has any makeup or anything, everything should be out. Now if the client has heavy makeup, you can do the step 2 times, but make sure no makeup, nothing is left on the skin. Face bleaching lasts for 20 to 25 days. So you can get this treatment done every month, and everybody has different type of skin, so it really depends that how long does your last. On some skin it can last up to 2 months, but 20 to 25 days is a basic time. Before you start to bleach, make sure that the client's hair and clothes are covered properly, because these stains are permanent, and once it drops on the cloth or on the hair, it is not gonna go. Now take some cream and activator in a bowl and make sure to mix it in the right proportion. Now again, this step is also important because if the activator is more, it can burn the skin, and if the activator is less, then there is not gonna be any result on the face. You're not gonna see any difference. So mix it very well. I like to mix it until it changes color. And after mixing, take a tissue and wipe the face one more time just to make sure there's no water, nothing left on the skin. And after wiping with the tissue, apply the product in the direction of the hair growth. So I'm gonna apply 2 layers, one in the direction of the hair growth and second opposite the hair direction, to make sure that each and every hairs are covered. And try to avoid eyebrow and eyelashes, because if the product gets on your eyebrow, then your eyebrows are gonna be blonde. And also be careful, do not go very close to eye area, because if the product gets in the eye, then it can permanently damage the eyes. Skin bleaching treatment can reduce dark spots on the skin caused by sun damage, aging, or hormonal changes. Moreover, these treatments can only help you get rid of the tan, pigmentation marks, and blemishes, but not change your skin color. Many people also have the curiosity that if it is safe to do it. So yes, it is totally safe to do it, as it only works on the hair, not on the skin. Bleaching also helps to reduce level of melanin in the skin. Other than that, the dirt and dark layer is also removed. So now I have already applied the bleach on the face, and I like to cover the eyes with a rose water. So in that way, if the customers open their eyes, no product, nothing gets in the eyes, and the eyes feel cool. Now I'm gonna set my alarm to 10 minutes and leave it for 10 minutes. But we are not gonna completely forget about it. Every 2 to 3 minutes we are gonna take a brush and spread it out again in a circular motion. because if the product stays on the same area for a longer time, then the skin might burn. So don't forget to move with your brush every 2 to 3 minutes. I would not suggest to do this treatment at home, because there's a lot of precautions and tips involved in this treatment, and if you miss any of that thing, then it can permanently damage the skin. Now, precautions that needs to be taken care after bleaching is don't go out in the sun. Even if you have to, please do use sunscreen lotion, so in that way it does not damage your skin. And don't bleach too often. Once a month is a good time. And avoid bleaching in sensitive areas. So her face looks pretty done. It's almost 10 minutes, and I think I'm gonna remove this, but before removing I'm gonna make sure to spread one more time in circular motion. And before removing, I like to always check whether it's done or no. So the best way to check is turn the client on the side and remove some product with your hand, or also you can use some water. So remove some product and you see that the hairs have turned like golden brown in color, which matches her skin tone pretty well. So let me zoom in. Yeah, so this is the best way to tell that it's done. And once I feel that okay, it's done, I'm gonna go ahead and remove it with water. So now after removing the product, I like to give cold water steam on face for few minutes so it does not irritate or burn the skin after. Between 5 to 7 minutes is good time for face steaming. Mild itching or redness after bleaching is usual. So if you apply moisturizer or aloe vera gel, it would really help. And do not use soap for a day, and try to avoid sun for 1 to 2 days. If not, then please do use sunscreen lotion. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe, and comment below if you want me to do more videos. Thank you. See you again.